Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool telephone. This is by Northern Telecom, and it's an Alexander Graham plain telephone. And this is Linda's telephone from California. And these are very highly collectible. And she's got a note here with this telephone, and she's talking about how the telephone basically works, but it does not ring. And so she wants to get it repaired because she wants to give it to her daughter for a birthday gift. And that's a pretty cool birthday gift. So you see that we have the bell out already, and this is the initial check out of this telephone. Now, if you watch my videos, you know that I'm not a big fan of this style bell. Western Electric could have designed this bell a lot better than they did. So I'm not a fan of them. We're going to set that to the side. And that's going to be replaced because I've already checked that bell out and it's no good. It's a bad bell. And usually that can happen from just the age of the bell. They didn't work that great to begin with, and sometimes the phone gets dropped or whatever. That can cause it too. So anytime them type of bells get out of whack, they're done. There's not much saving them after they've been damaged. So since this is the initial checkout, I want to go ahead and go through it a little bit here. And the rotary seems pretty good, but we want to go in and clean and oil and adjust that. And I do have the telephone apart, and I'm going to give you a look at it. It's in very good condition, really. And I have the cover off. So if you've never seen the inside of one of these telephones, we're going to go ahead and get a look at that right now. And the bell would be installed in this area right here. So here's your network, your hook switch, and we want to reinstall a bell, a replacement. So we're going to go ahead and take a short break from the video, and we're going to get a start on this telephone and get it repaired for Linda so she can give it to her daughter for her birthday. So we'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we have replaced the bell. So now what we want to do is we want to do a test before we put everything back together again and do our final checkout. So we'll go ahead and ring the telephone. I'm going to let that go a couple more times since that was the issue. I'll let it go one more time. Now what we can do is put everything back together again and start our final checks. We went ahead and went through the hook switch. I made sure that was clean. We went ahead and went through the rotary, oiled, cleaned, and adjusted the rotary, and went through the network and made sure all of our connections were proper. And so now we want to put everything back together again, and we'll start our final checks. So we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up in the repair of this telephone. So we're going to run through a little bit about what went on. We went ahead and went through the network, made sure all the connections there were fine. We went into the hook switch and cleaned that. We went into the rotary, oiled, cleaned, and adjusted the rotary, and it turns a lot smoother. We also replaced the bell, so we can set that to the side. That bell is of no use to us. And so now what we want to do is our final check. So I want to go ahead and ring the telephone. I'm going to let that go a few more times since that was the issue. 2 more times. Give you some dial tone. Now what we want to do is I want to dial our numbers out. So if you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I want to end in a 2, and now I want to transmit into the handset. So if you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hello, hello. So we know that this telephone is ringing in on a ring cycle. It has receive, transmit, and it's dialing out. What we can do is I have a switch on the switch box, and when I push that, that gives us a line out and totally takes the analyzer out of the situation. And we can call a time and temp number. Now they're having problems with their equipment, and you'll hear the recording start, and there'll be a hum, and then the recording will continue. It's on their end. They're having problems with their equipment. It has nothing to do with what we're doing here. So we'll go ahead and make that call, give you some dial tone.
Good afternoon. Today is Friday, November 15th. The time is 12:09. Current temperature 62 degrees.
Mostly cloudy today, then becoming partly sunny with showers, highs in the 50s. Partly cloudy tonight, then becoming mostly cloudy with lows in the 40s. Windy on Saturday, warmer with mostly cloudy skies, showers likely, highs in the 60s.
Okay. We can call one other number. We can call my number, and it'll be busy. I'll give you some dial tone. Now that we know that this telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Linda, and they can start enjoying this telephone. And I know her daughter's going to be really happy when she gets this for her birthday. This is a highly collectible telephone. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.